Welcome to Holy Prayer Time. Dear Heavenly Father, today I come before you with a humble heart, acknowledging the moments I have failed, spoken wrongly, and allowed my thoughts to drift away from your will. I thank you because your grace is always greater than my mistakes. Your mercy never runs out, and your love continues to cover me. Father, search my heart and reveal anything within me that needs cleansing. Remove every trace of pride, selfishness, and hidden sin. Shape me into the person you have called me to be. I thank you because you correct me with love and restore me with compassion, not condemnation. Lord, forgive me for the times I ignored your voice and followed my own understanding. Wash me clean and renew my spirit. I thank you because through your forgiveness, shame loses its power, and I am made new again. Heavenly Father, help me forgive those who have hurt or disappointed me. It is not always easy, but today I choose obedience over bitterness. I thank you because forgiveness brings freedom and lifts the heaviness from my heart. Heal every wound caused by broken trust and harsh words. Remove any anger that still lingers within me. Lord, teach me to forgive quickly and sincerely, just as you forgive me daily. Guard my heart from holding on to past wrongs. I thank you because love grows stronger when forgiveness becomes a part of my life. Father, help me also forgive myself. Silence every negative voice that reminds me of my past failures. I thank you because I am redeemed and no longer defined by yesterday. Restore relationships where healing is possible. Give me wisdom to rebuild what can be restored and peace to release what I must let go. I thank you because you bring beauty even from painful situations. Create in me a clean heart and a steady spirit. Fill me with freedom, healing, and renewed joy. I surrender every burden into your hands today. I thank you because your forgiveness draws me closer to you each day.